Okay, and today's video, I'm gonna be making some laundry soap. Because with today's economy, the way things are going, grocery prices are going through the roof, as everybody knows. So why pay $15, $20, $25 for a jug of laundry soap, a couple liters, when you can make it for pennies a load? So I'm gonna just use some borax, some superwash soda, and a bar of whatever soap you want to use, cheapest you can get, or I'm going to use Irish Spring because they kind of like a little bit of a scent to it. And then other than that, we're just going to heat up some water and mix it all together, and very straightforward. Okay, first thing I need is 4 cups of hot water. Okay, next I grade the bar of soap, approximately 4 ounces, and get grated so it melted into the water. Just any cheese grater will work. While that soap is dissolving in the hot water, we need 1 1/4 gallons of hot tap water to put in. I'm going to make 2.5 gallons total, with 1.5 of hot tap water. Correction, 1 1/4. Okay, into the tap hot bucket of water, we're going to add 1/2 cup of borax and 1/2 cup of wash soda. And thoroughly mix. Okay, now you can see the bar of soap is completely dissolved. Once you have that completely dissolved, you simply add that mixture to your borax and your wash soda. Now the last step here is top it up to the 2.5 gallons with hot tap water. You can already see it sudding up. And there we go. Give it some mix. Mix it up some more. And we got 2.5 gallons of laundry soap. It's going to be about, let's see, I grab my numbers here. Okay, for the cost, basically the bar of soap that I got is $1.50. You can get them quite a bit cheaper. But I want to use the Irish Spring for the little bit of scent into my laundry. The borax, I used about 20 cents of borax. And same about 15 cents of the soda wash powder. So very cheap. For 2.5 gallons it costs about $1.85 Canadian. And you're going to put half a cup into a load of wash. So basically that's going to give me 80 loads. Right? 2.5 gallons is about 40 cups. But times it by 2 to get a half a cup. I'm going to get about 80 loads for 2.5 gallons. So when you break her down, according to my math, it's going to be about 2.3 cents a load. How can you beat that? And with the amount of borax left over and soda wash, I'm going to get, for what I invested, I'm going to get a couple years of laundry soap. For like, I think the whole thing altogether was like $30 or something. So $30 for a couple years of washing your laundry. How can you beat that? Thanks for watching, and watch me on the next video. I'm going to see what else I can do to save money in this poor economy. Plus, when I'm getting off grid to my property in Alberta, this is going to come exactly in handy. Right? Why spend money where you don't have to? Catch you on the next video, and never forget to dream your dream, and not just dream it, but do your best to fulfill it.